Hey there miniature wargamers, welcome to Seasick Pirate Studios. My name is Kurtis and in this episode we're going to be unboxing the Shrine Luminor for Lumineth Realm Lords. Because being a wizard isn't badass enough, you want to cast your spells from atop a garrison so everyone can see your magic tricks. For Lumineth wizards, they have the Shrine Luminor, a shrine of finely carved stone on a bed of rocks floating above the battlefield, and a nice water feature to cap it all off. So let's crack the box and check out the kit. The kit comes on 2 separate sprues and is cast in plastic. It'll set you back £35 from Games Workshop, and like all kits it comes with an instruction manual and has all of the rules at the back. So I'm going to pop that to one side for the meantime and we're going to check out the kit. The kit has 36 different pieces, and looking at the size of the platform, this model is absolutely huge. It doesn't come with a base, but the plastic feels really strong, so it's well supported. However, if you wanted to buy a base, that's totally your choice. So looking at all the parts, everything is really well defined and is jam-packed with detail. On the pools at the bottom of the miniature, every wave, every ripple, every bubble is well defined and really stands out, and it'll be really nice to paint. So the scratches and the dents all over the arch make it look really weathered and old and give the shrine that battle-worn look. So all the runes and carvings are also well defined, and on the waterfalls, the closer the water gets to the ground, the flow of the water gets weaker. So this again gives it a realistic look. So let's put this miniature together and see what it looks like built. Our Shrine Luminor has been built and this thing is massive. It stands at a whopping 26 centimeters tall, so this model is taller than Teclis and Selenar. The overall construction was easy and the mini fits together nicely. Around all the rocks there are some noticeable lines where the pieces join, but that's nothing some green stuff or some modelling putty can't fix. Like I mentioned earlier, the plastic is strong and the model stands without issue, but for extra insurance you can always get a base. The details on this mini are outstanding. The effects on the waterfall, the pools, all the trees growing out of the rocks and all the runes carved into the stone will make this miniature a joy to paint. So my overall rating for this mini is 9 out of 10. I can't wait to get one of my Scanari Cathalas on there so she can cast all of her spells at her enemies. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more unboxings and more painting tutorials, please check out my channel. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe and we'll see you next time.